How to create a newsletter on LinkedIn. I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter on LinkedIn step by step. First, log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile. Click on the Write an Article option near the top of your feed. Next, select the Create Newsletter button. Fill in the name of your newsletter, choosing something that reflects its content. Write a brief description outlining what subscribers can expect, highlighting the value you'll provide. Then, choose how often you'll publish, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Be realistic about your capacity to maintain this schedule. Now, write your first issue using the article editor. Format your content, add images, and include links to enhance your articles. Focus on delivering valuable insights or tips that engage your audience. Once you're satisfied with your content, hit publish. Review your newsletter details and confirm to go live. After publishing, promote your newsletter in your feed and encourage connections to subscribe. Use LinkedIn Analytics to track performance, helping you refine future content based on what resonates with your audience.